just looking for a job with insurance, some kind of assurance I could one day have you. I try not to imagine the way that you miss her. I hope it's not more than she misses you. I'm praying I'm not some homewrecker harlot, knowing it's you who first pursued. Despite the job market being shit, I'm holding on like it's worth it. It's the only thing I know to do. But no, I'm not waiting. I'm just kind of hanging around on your halls, just like a ghost. Float past your wedding photos. No, you don't want me. You just don't want to be alone. You don't want to be alone. You don't want to be alone. You don't want to be alone. I don't want to be alone.